When we stopped by Once Upon a Child at Monroe, Louisiana, we got word of KCS 2964 and 2809, both rare gray Ghost GP42s, was actually leading the Element 106 Job 5 local through Monroe, heading to Industrial Park.
My first phone video in a while. Here comes the train, people. Here comes the train, people. And it's Element 106. Wow, 2 gray ghosts in one day. That's pretty good. Anyway, that was it for this video. May God bless every one of you.
After the Gray Ghost duo passed, IDAAT-05 showed up with NS9527 in the lead, a rare -9 liter.
Oh man, here we go. Here comes another train, people. And looks like this could be Marsh. Nope, it's IATDA. IATDA-05 coming with an NS unit in the lead. Don't know why though, but and that was a pretty short IATDA-05. May God bless every one of you.
Train number 3, after we passed the westbound rock train with KCS 3963 on it, we decided to stumble upon Element 304, the switching yard job, switching to the Industrial Park.
2970.
Train number 4. After we missed the MARSH-10 we stumbled upon the Element 106 Job 5 roll call that was heading straight for the Pro-Boll Chemical sighting at Dunn.
Leading Element 106.
While we were in Rayville, Louisiana, under the Severe Thunderstorm Warning in Rayville, Louisiana, we stumbled upon the IDAAT-08 with NS or KCS 4154 leading the way.
They brought out the worst in each other.
4154. 4103.
Not like my grandbabies, my two grandsons, they love each other, they're always hugging on each other. Now granted, when they get older, you know, who knows, but yeah, same grade. We rode the school bus for an hour together.
IDAAT-08.
Born in 73. I know that name.
So it was KCS 4154 leading IDAAT-08 coming all the way from Waverly Intermodal Terminal, heading towards Inman Yard.
Okay. Tracy was a senior when I started high school.
And going at a slow speed too. Woo!
I know, I saw that. Yeah, I've been seeing her post. Seemed like last year they went to Rita went to who's living over there? What happened? Yeah. Oh, jeez. There's nothing like you can do about it, though.
I just wrapped my arm around and said, hold on tight.
That is too funny. I mean, I know it wasn't funny, but it's funny.
And that was a raised letter K5LA on him too. Woo! Very loud.
Jean from Delhi. She does the. I know she
Coming
does
through
the
the severe thunderstorm warning here in Rayville and was just past milepost 51.20.
Oh, you talking about Myrtle?
That's her.
That's I bought some of these from
Okay,
Myrtle.
you guys back in the corner.
Okay. Well, Myrtle's look. That's Myrtle's booth right there.
Oh,
The shells right there.
Keep
That's
going, man.
Myrtle's stuff.
I am trying.
I've known Myrtle for years.
Oh, go on. Right ahead.
Yeah. Okay. Well, Myrtle, I know. Myrtle and I started out being friends. I used to work. There used to be a flea market in Rayville, and I worked it, and I had a booth there. There we go. And she had a booth there, and then after that we started having running sales together, and then we just that's been 8 years ago. I know. It is. After summer. Yes, it is. You too. I can talk forever. Y'all come back and see me.
Anytime.
How can I help Alright, that covers that one. Oh, we appreciate it, Ever.
I'll do your deal on that bottle. Got the register on it. I don't know if you want that. You see the candle holder, don't you? I'm looking at this metal thing. There's a rooster.
Well, that was it for him. IDAAT -08. Ladies and gentlemen.
It's heavy. You want that wall thing too? You want to keep it, leave it? Okay. Yeah.
Train number 6, while me and my in real life dad were in Delhi trying to get our supper, we ended up running into the MARSH-10, which was running very late, with KCS 4000. One of the EMD Thundercab SD70ACes was heading to Durham's yard. Train number 7, after we missed the IATDA at Delhi, we saw the MSHAR-13 with KCSM 4668 on point.
Gentlemen, KCSM 4668 in the lead, heading straight to Artesia Yard in Artesia, Mississippi. This is for you, Bishop Bud, also called Louisiana Rail Productions. May God bless every one of you.
Train number 8, when I was railfanning at my second grandparents, I saw the IDAAT-23, KCS4614 in the lead, after the TDD at Waverly went off for 478 axles.
KCS detector milepost 30.4. Proceed. Total axle 478. Speed 60. Train is eastbound. Detector out.
Looks like we got ourselves another train coming. So here he comes, people. Looks like this could be MSHAR. Yep, Raised Letter K5LA. Who is in the lead? Nope, it's IDAAT. 4614 in the lead. That was IDAAT-23, KCS4614 in the lead. Didn't even see him till now. Laugh out loud. Wow, KCS 4614 in the lead of IDAAT-23. Anyway, that was it for this video. May God bless every one of you.
Train number 9, while I was still railfanning at my second grandparents, I saw the ZAILC-24 with all NS power in the lead, all NS GE power.
What? Hurry! Will do. Yes, you can. Defect detector to go off before I go back inside.
How do I start this?
I'll hold it. It is my phone after all. What? I gotta go in. Wow, that was IDAAT, I think it was.
Detector, milepost 30.4. Proceed.
Listen for the total axles.
KCS detector, milepost 30.4. Proceed. Total axle 294. Speed 59. Train is westbound. Detector out.
Train number 10, another westbound manifest passed by while I was railfanning at my second grandparents. Of course, after the manifest passed, I got the TDD at Waverly for 430 axles.
Going too fast through there now. You're getting her started.
Where are you kidding me? I think we're doing this higher. I said higher. Can't use nobody else.
She looks like Mama, why are you mistreating me?
Yeah, I know. What you look at, there should be nothing wrong with things. You know, big guy, I never appreciated the house till the one burnt. And then we had to stay in the country.
I lived in a camper.
Yeah, I lived there for a long time. But when I failed
This
one
is
time,
probably ZAI LC-24.
I failed, and I think I've been doing this to this day. I bought it all the way back. Boy, why I quit picking it up and go in and throw it around.
I feel like I'm good sideways.
You don't keep the kindling, kindling stuff stretched and loose.
Okay, that was actually MARSH-10 Raised Letter K5HL. Anyway, that's it for this video. May God bless every one of you.
KCS detector, milepost 30.4. Proceed. KCS detector, milepost 30.4. Proceed. Total axle 430. Speed 45. Train is westbound. Detector out.
Train number 11, I actually saw MSHNS-23 was actually passing by my second grandparents. It was the longest MSHNS I have ever seen, 674 axles according to the TDD, KCS 5008 in the lead.
KCS detector, milepost 30.4. Proceed. Total axle 674. Speed 45. Train is eastbound. Detector out.
Uh-oh, there's a train coming, guys.
Hey, Jack. You had to have gotten, Angus Brown Joe. Oh, I thought you was trying to get.
Look at that. I thought it was a mentor's mouth open wide.
Yeah, there's a zipper.
He was blowing for me, so that was pretty good.
What Dunn, poor bulldog, got shot. Oh, okay.
He is a very long one too, 674 axles. Wow.
That was the night.
Trains number 12 and 13, we saw, of course, the first one being the LMN 304 yard job was switching the industrial park, and then the ALM manifest with 2017, the newest addition to the collection of ALM units.
Sometimes Mom would even send us down to the grocery store. You can't do that anymore. Remember we used to fall fast asleep on those cool summer nights.
Thank you for watching my video. May God bless every one of you. From Transfer Guy 87.